Next trick we're going to work on is a trick called cold fusion. This is the first part. I'm going to do it in 2 steps just to focus on the maneuvers in the first part. Let me show you what it looks like. Cold fusion starts with a double or nothing. You shoot across, back and forth like that. That was fast. I'm going to break it down for you though. It comes across, as in Buddha's Revenge. You shoot it over twice like so, and then you come back around and land into a trapeze. So what you want to do for the first part is you start with a double or nothing. You bring one hand across like so, and in the second move you bring the other hand across like so. Let me break this down for you a little bit more. You take your throw hand pointer finger and it runs across the yo-yo like so. Comes underneath and comes across like that and into the other 2 strings. Your non-throw hand pointer will come across from the other side with those 2 strings intact there and lands it on the string farthest from you. And this is one motion. So let me show you what this looks like again at full speed. It comes, hits, hits like that. And you actually end in a 1.5 mount. So let's look at this again. Just because it's fast when it's done, you bring, let me go from this angle again. It goes from here across, like so, here across, like so. Again, you have to practice this and get it full speed to get the effect like that. Over, and let me teach you the other parts in the next step. So practice that part, get that solid, and we'll work on the second.